Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel The Electrical Buddy. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video we will learn how to analyze our monthly electricity bill, or you can say cross check our monthly electricity bill, as you might be having confusion or doubt in your monthly electricity bill calculation, because sometimes we have to pay so much amount for our monthly electricity bill than that of our provision. How? आप घर पे ना रह के भी आपको ज़्यादा बिल आता है, कैसे? आपने तो सिर्फ 2 घंटा एसी चलाया तो भी आपको ज़्यादा बिल आया, कैसे? आपके ऑफिस में तो सिर्फ 50% स्टाफ था तो भी आपको ज़्यादा बिल आया, हाउ इज़ इट पॉसिबल? सो ये सभी सवालों के जवाब आपको ये वीडियो में मिलेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टू एनालाइजिंग अवर मंथली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल. As you know, there are many electrical companies like Adani, Tata, MSCB, Best, etc. And each company having different tariff rate. As per that tariff rate, component cost in electrical bill varies. So before analyzing monthly electricity bill, we see component which is considered while making electricity bill. So there are two categories. First one is a major components and second one is a miscellaneous components. So let us discuss this component one by one. The first one is energy charges. The energy charges means how much unit consumed by your appliances in a 1 month multiplied by unit rate. Now unit rate is a different for every consumer. Let us see different category of consumer. So on screen we will see there are two main category, which is LT, low tension, and HT, high tension, and in both the category there are 5 subcategory. So there is a different unit rate slab for each consumer. Our category mentioned on top of the right side on the bill. Now second is a fixed charges, or you can say contract charges. Fixed charges are fixed because whenever you took the connection from utility, the utility reserves certain amount of electricity for you. For this fixed reserve electricity, you have to pay fixed charges to utility even if you not at home. घर पे ना रह के भी आपको बिल कैसे आता है, उसका आंसर है फिक्स चार्जेस. बिकॉज वेन यू नॉट एट होम बट स्टिल यूटिलिटी रिजर्व सम अमाउंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फॉर यू. The fixed demand or charges mentioned on your bill as per your billing demand. Now third is the RAC. What is the RAC? RAC is a basically regulatory asset charge. The revenue due as a recognized regulator for past operation and not recovered during that year of operation is termed as a regulatory charge. It is being recovered from consumer for 6 years as per tariff order. Fourth one is the wheeling charges. As we all know, electricity generated at plant and through the transmission network and distribution network, utility supply electricity to your house. So from plant to our home, there are many system and infrastructure costs which we have to pay to our utility company. Let me explain this way. It's an amount charged by one electrical company to transmit the energy of and for another system. For example, in case I want to use either transmission distribution network of MSEDCL for transfer of power from Dahanu to Mumbai, then I am required to pay the charges as approved by the MERC to MSEDCL for use of transmission network and distribution network of MSEDCL for transfer of power from Dahanu to Mumbai. Such a transfer of power on the network of MSEDCL is called wheeling power, and in general terms the wheeling charge is the rent paid to the owner of the network for its use by us. This wheeling charge is mentioned on your bill. Next one is a FAC, fuel adjustment charges. Means we know the most of the electricity generated using coal. FAC is the amount which utilities apply on bill based on varying price of fuel or coal. Every month this value is different and is derived based on the current cost of coal. Typically this is a few paisa per unit. That's why it is called as a fuel adjustment charges. Last one is a electricity duty or taxes. This is the government tax for using electricity. Duty is applicable per unit of the electricity consumption and a tax is applied on the whole bill amount. Now we move forward to miscellaneous component. First one is a power factor incentive. This is highly effective on commercial and industrial consumer. As we know, we have to maintain the power factor near unity, or you can say 1. If we maintain the power factor as per standard level, then utility company gives incentive on total bill amount. On screen, you can see there is a different incentive percentage rate for different power factor value. To maintain the power factor near unity, many organizations use AFFC panel, automatic power factor correction, the device which can maintain the power factor near unity. We will see working and everything about AFFC panel in upcoming video. Second one is the power factor penalty. As I said, if we maintain the power factor as per standard level, then utility company gives incentive on total bill amount. But if we not maintain, then utility company charge penalty on total bill amount. On screen you can see there is a different penalty rate for different power factor value. Next one is a promote payment. If we pay bill before 7 days from the date of their issue, then we get 1% discount of the monthly bill. Delay payment. If we not paid electricity bill within the due date mentioned on the bill, delay payment charges show in the bill amount. नेक्स्ट वन इज अ डिजिटल पेमेंट डिस्काउंट. आप सभी जानते हैं ये ज़माना ऑनलाइन का है एंड वी कैन इजीली डू एनी ट्रांजेक्शन ऑनलाइन और पे बिल ऑनलाइन. देन वी गेट सम अमाउंट ऑफ डिस्काउंट और सम कूपन्स. इफ़ वी डन electricity payment by online modes such as a debit card, credit card, online banking, UPI, etc., then we get 0.25% discount behind every 500 rupees. Last one is a discount on e-bill. A discount of rupees 10 rupees per consumer per bill shall be provided for those optioning for e-bills through the return or email confirmation. No hard copy of the bills shall be generated for such a consumer. So let us start analyzing our monthly electricity bill. On screen you can see I am going to take example of electricity bill of Maharashtra which came under LT, low tension B residential category, and tariff of this category you can see on screen. So basis on this tariff I do the analysis of that bill and show you how to cross check your electricity bill. This bill shows total consumption of February month and total amount we have paid to our utility. As you seen on screen, bill shows 93 units consumed in a February month. Currently we hide the bill amount. We unhide after our own calculation so we can easily tally our bill amount with actual bill amount. The format shown on screen is called as a bill breakup format. So first is a fixed demand. As I said, this is fixed amount which mentioned on the bill. Here you can see 3 slabs. From that we have to choose one. It is very easy to choose because our unit is 93 which is lies between a 0 to 100. So basically we choose first slab and the fixed charges for 0 to 100 unit is 65 per month. So we just put this value in a bill breakup. Now second is energy charges. In tariff structure for 0 to 100 energy charges per unit is 3 rupees. So we put this one table and we know our unit consumed which is 93. We also put this value on bill breakup format and by multiplying rate per unit into unit consumed means 93 into 3 we get total energy charges which is almost 279 rupees. Third is the wheeling charges which is 1.57 for slab 1 and unit consumed is a 93. We put both the value in the table. After multiplying 1.57 into 93 we get total wheeling charges which is equal to 146.01 rupees. Fourth one is a regulatory asset charges, which is 0.20 rupees per unit. So we multiplying this with our unit, which is 93, then we get 18.60 rupees regulatory asset charges. Move forward to fifth component, which is fuel adjustment charges, which is mentioned in tariff. And amount of FAC per unit is a 0.29. So after multiplying 0.29 with our unit consumed, which is 93, we almost get 27.11 rupees. Now sixth charge which is considered in bill is government taxes or duty, and these charges vary with the various government and state. For this particular bill of Maharashtra, the government charges is 16%. So 16% of total charge, including FAC plus energy charges plus billing charges plus fixed charges plus REC charges. So first we add all charges, FAC plus energy plus billing plus fixed plus REC, and then multiplying this amount by 0.16, and we almost get 18.572 government charges. Seventh is government taxes, which is 0.26 rupees per unit. We put this value in a bill breakup and multiplying this into 93 unit, then we almost get 24.22 rupees. Now when we refer bill, we see utility company gives 1 rupees discount on digital transaction, so we also put this value on a bill breakup. But utility company also charge penalty of 6 rupees for delay payment, so we add this 6 rupees in bill breakup. So total electricity bill that you are paying sum of all 6 components. So at the end we add all the yellow highlighted value and minus green one, and at the end we get total bill amount, which is almost 650.65 rupees, and which is perfectly matched with the bill amount mentioned. Your unit rate is a 3, but what is your per unit rate? The money we have to pay to our utility company is a 650.65, and unit consumed by ourselves is a 93. So we divide 650.65 by 93, we almost get 7 rupees per unit. Now if anyone want to calculate rate per square feet or unit per square feet, so just enter your home or office area value in a total area square foot on bill breakup, which is XYZ. Here I assume the 600 square foot area. So here basically first I divide 650.65 by 600, and we almost get 1.08 rupees per square foot, and then divide 93, which is unit consumed by us, divided by 600, so we get 0.16 unit per square foot. Now same we calculate how much unit and cost per head at your house and office. Here we assume 5 person, so we divide 650.65 by 5, we get 130.13 rupees per head, and by dividing 93 by 5, we almost get 18.60 unit per head. Means the per person in your home consume 18.60 unit, and that per person have to pay 130.13 rupees per month. So in this way we can calculate and cross check our monthly electricity bill, or you will know your monthly electricity bill amount before bill generated by company.